Why do you show clips?
Dude, what the fuck is that?
Well, it just so happens that
holy shit.
why do you show clips?
Dude, what the fuck is that?
Well, it just so happens that
holy shit.
half of America from people like her, from people like The View, from people that are on CNN. So yeah,
What the fuck is that?
And I'm going to set the record straight. That's what I did during the election.
Oh my god.
Most people were not educated. They were never hearing the other side of the story. So yes,
holy fucking shit.
to make sure that you hear the other side of the story. Now, my initial reaction is this: no one is complaining about Joe Biden issuing.
Holy fucking shit.
What we don't like is that he lied about it every step of the way. And guys,
What the fuck is that?
they were coordinated about it. Just come out and be honest already.
Oh my god.
Continue. So I'm not sure why people are clutching their pearls.
Let me shut my phone off.
Clutching their pearls.
I had a fucking feeling there was something above me. Holy fuck. What the fuck? And that, I don't see anything in the sky with my naked eye. Holy fuck, what the fuck is that? Holy shit. Come back this way. That's going southeast. New York City is due to the left of where I am now. That's going like towards New York City, but not really, like southeast. Shit.